and lungs, they supply the esophagus, and they supply the posterior mediastinum with their lymphatic vessels and nodes, for example, the fat tissues, and nerve plexuses in posterior mediastinum. 4 types of visceral branches: esophageal, bronchial, pericardial, and mediastinal. It's very simple. The thoracic part of aorta is very simple, and the abdominal part of aorta is very difficult.
Sir,
Yeah.
parietal branches are 10 or 12?
There are 10 posterior intercostal arteries which have their origin on the thoracic part of aorta. And the first and the second intercostal spaces are supplied by the branches of subclavian and axillary arteries. From subclavian artery is costocervical trunk and superior thoracic artery from axillary.
Sir, but in the PDF, there is written 12 pair of branches.
There are 12, of course, intercostal spaces, 12 pairs of intercostal muscles there, and these arteries supply, what about posterior intercostal artery are the largest branches of the thoracic part of aorta, and they have the wide region, wide area of supplying with blood. They supply the intercostal muscles. They supply the pleura and the part of parietal peritoneal on the abdominal wall. They supply the muscles of the anterior and lateral abdominal wall. They supply the skin of the thoracic cage and the anterior abdominal wall. They supply the mammary gland. And also they give the dorsal branch which supply with blood the thoracic vertebra and thoracic segments of spinal cord.
They are supplied by these branches.
First and second.
10.
There are 10 posterior intercostal arteries. All of them are parietal branches of thoracic part of aorta.
To the mammary gland and the abdominal part, these 10 arteries are supplied with.
The 6 inferior intercostal arteries passes firstly along the inferior margin of each ring, and then it finishes on the anterior abdominal wall.
Finishes on?
All the abdominal wall upper than umbilical ring is supplied by these 6 inferior intercostal arteries. And of course, the blood supply of the anterior wall of abdominal cavity, if you remember from our last classes, they're also supplied by internal thoracic artery, which continues into superior epigastric. So all these arteries have the anastomosis on the anterior abdominal wall.
So what about mammary gland?
Mammary gland.
Yes, sir.
Mammary gland is supplied both by the
Thoracic.
internal thoracic and its medial surface, and the lateral part of mammary gland is supplied by from the second until the fifth
Superior.
posterior intercostal arteries.